Hey guys, this is Josh. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to use DiskGenius to clone your disk drives or even your Windows system. So first, what you want to do is you want to download the DiskGenius software. So you just click on this free download right here. It's all free and it doesn't even require any sign up or whatever. So now you would be faced with something like this. So this is the DiskGenius software. Now, how do you clone the disk or how do you clone your system? So there are a lot of methods. There are three. First is copying all sectors. Next is copy all valid sectors according to the layout of the system file. The next is copying all files. Now, there are some notes that you need to know because if the disk to be cloned contains partition whose file system is not supported by the application, it will be cloned via copy all sectors in order to make sure that the cloned disk is the same as the original disk. And the second one is copy all sectors and copy all valid sectors according to the layout of the system file. Require that the size of the destination disk shouldn't be smaller than the original disk. I guess that's common sense. Copy all files allows to clone larger HDD to a smaller disk, but the capacity of the destination disk shouldn't be smaller than the used space of the source disk. So step one, you want to click on Tools and then Clone Disk. So you have it here and it's going to show you something like this. Now you just simply need to select one disk that you want to clone. So let's say, for example, I want to click this one. All right. So let's just say I click on OK. So I click on OK. Okay, so this is where the twist happens. So when I click on yes right now, this is gonna migrate my Windows system also. So basically, you don't have to worry about migrating your OS or your operating system to the new computer that you have. And after I click yes, in here, just simply click start and then voila, you're all done. So that's how easy it is. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you are updated with our videos that we daily upload. I'm going to see you on the next one.